Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best 12-inch miter saw you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best 12-inch miter saw in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Dewalt DW715 miter saw. The 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw is powered by a 15-amp motor to drive 4,000 revolutions per minute, delivering extended power and durability. It features a stainless steel miter detent plate and cam miter lock that provide repeatable accuracy and durability with easy adjustments. When you installing the Tough Pro floor mats, there won't be any empty spaces on your Tesla Model 3 floor. They also use a computerized cut system which ensures that their mats are the perfect fit for your car. This brand offers complete protection from snow, rain, salt, and dirt, non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and odor-free material is used to make them. Therefore you'll be doing the environment a favor by using these mats. Not only will they cover your floor 25% more than other car floor mats which most of them don't, but since these mats have rough surfaces that help with getting muddy or debris off of cars, it's really easy to clean. All you need is just a wet towel. For details, let's watch more. Our second best 12-inch miter saw is Dewalt DWS780 12-inch miter saw. This Dewalt DWS780 12-inch miter saw is our top choice for the best miter saw. It is very like our top pick as well. Dewalt products have a long history of making top quality power tools. This model has a unique motor and gearbox, which helps improve the cutting capabilities of your vertical saw over what's available from other brands. The adjustable cut line indicator ensures that you don't have to figure out where your blade will be. Additionally, the 15-amp motor runs at 3,800 RPM. This allows you to cut through hardest hardwoods. It can make precise cuts and is capable of cutting the 2x16 at 90 degrees as well as 2x12 at 45 degrees. It includes a blade and dust bag as well as a variety of other tools that will aid you in starting immediately. The reason why the DWS780 isn't the best on the chart is because the dust collector will continually blockage while using. The blockages would cause us to stop and clear it, which would take a long time. This causes the miter saw to be a lot slower than the top model that did not have this issue. The other issue was an assembly that was not fitting easily. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Skil 12-inch compound miter saw. This Skil saw 12-inch quick mount compound miter saw with laser, as the name implies, provides users with a handy laser marker that lets you identify the exact spot where the saw will be cutting. Its robust 15.5 amp motor can achieve speeds of 4,500 RPMs and the extension rails let users to cut bigger chunks of lumber. The saw is lightweight enough to be maneuverable and comes with a quick mount system which allows quick and easy attachment to the stand. It was a major issue that we encountered with this saw. We found it difficult to make straight cuts. It is possible to get the angle, however, when you tighten the arm the blade moves by a couple of degrees. It has an innovative design with positive stops for setting common miter angles. Well built of heavy duty and tough material, this miter saw speaks well of its safety. Number 4 in our side is Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD. It is the Bosch Power Tools GCM12SD is the final product we've reviewed for you. It is among the few models that are considered to be of professional or commercial grade. It is a patented axial glide system that permits larger crosscuts and reduces the size by over 1 foot. The 15-amp motor is a great source of power to cut most difficult woods. This fence offers enough support for cutting. Its quick release mechanism allows adjustments to be easily made. Also, it has a trigger handle, which allows the user to have a more comfortable grip as you work. There are several drawbacks with this brand. One of the first things we observed was that the unit costs over twice the cost of most other brands listed on this list. It's also very heavy, and weighs close to 100 pounds. Its weight makes it less mobile, and we also discovered it to be quite loud. The collection skimmer that collects the sawdust is very expensive and thin. The fence was slightly too large for small cuts. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best 12-inch miter saw list is Makita LS1219 liters miter saw. The Makita miter saw LS1219 liters is our top pick for the top overall miter saw of 12 inches. This model is extremely light and features an efficient direct drive 13-amp motor that can cut through the toughest of woods effortlessly. It is adjustable to suit your body in different ways, and the precision machined aluminum base helps keep the machine in place as you cut. Soft start lets you start cutting slowly in order to avoid chipping, and an electronic brake can stop the blade immediately after each cut. The package also comes with an abrasive blade and dust bag, so you can start your next project right away. Our only issue we'd complain about is the instruction manual included with it isn't particularly useful. We have learned to use it by experimentation and trial and. If you're using this for the first time, it is possible to search for videos to learn setting up the saw and how you can operate the saw.